What is going on today, fam? We are back again, and we are working on the fuel system in the K-Swap Civic today. So I've already done a lot off camera just because it wasn't too exciting, but I did all of the fuel lines in the vehicle. This car was originally carbureted, so the fuel lines that came with were different diameters, and also they didn't come all the way up to allow you to use the factory fuel filter, things like that. So I really just wanted to go through and change up the fuel line setup. So I did that. Got the new fuel lines in, ready to go. That was in preparation to change out my actual fuel tank. Being the fact this car was carbureted, it never had a fuel pump. So where the fuel pump would go normally, it doesn't exist. So I went to the junkyard and got this fuel tank right here. Put a coat of paint up on it just because it was a little bit rusty, just to kind of slow down that process. But yeah, now here we are. So before we go to put this new fuel tank in, obviously we can't have that old tired fuel pump in it that we don't know where it came from, how long it's been there. So I got me a 255 drop-in filter from Works. I'm also running Works 440cc injectors as well on the engine. So I only thought it was right to stick with Works. You know, they make really good products, and this isn't sponsored. I just like their stuff, and everything that I'm using here I have linked in the description. So first things first we need to get done is get out the old fuel pump. To do that, we're going to take off these 6 bolts right here. Then we'll go ahead and take out this whole assembly. So let's get it. So got the old fuel pump assembly out. Got the new Works stuff. Comes with everything you need. This is the fuel pump right here. Real nice unit, real nice packaging. Comes with instructions as well. Let's get this open. Ooh, 255. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful, beautiful fuel pump. Comes with everything you need. New sock for it and all. We'll keep the sock down for now. Boop, boop. Got everything we need, new clamps. And this is for, there it is, 1994 to 2001 Acura Integra and Civics. So this is all we need right here. That's all we need. So first things first, we need to come and get this green clip out so we're able to actually take out our take out the clamp. So let me get on that. Okay, so all I did was take a little Allen key, kind of poke it right here and right there. That way I'm able to pull up this green clip. This is just a locking clip, so there's no way it can become unplugged. From there, just a regular clamp. Now from here, we need to remove remove one of the clamps that secure this. Bam, just like that. Got that removed like that. All right, we're back. So all I did was pull this fuel pump up like that. Now what we need to do is break the fuel line loose. That's right there. What I like to do, come here with a set of pliers, grip not too tight, and just rotate it. And now we'll break the seal. Woo, finally got that off. I kind of figured it might be a little bit of a doozy to get it off, but you know, kind of come with the territory. Stuff that's been on here for years and years and years. Okay, now that we got that off, time to start prepping our new pump with everything that we need. But first, gotta get off the old little filter. It might be hard to see. There's a little piece inside there. We gotta pry that off. So I'm gonna get to it. Off of the old pump, got the old filter off. It sat on there like this, and I had to pry off this little locking ring on there. I was able to take that off. and we had to take that off because we needed this rubber piece that's right here. That's gonna sit on our new pump like that. First things first, we need to get the new filter bag on. Got it sitting down. You want to make sure you push, and so the filter bag, the little sock, is all the way seated. From there, you have to install this new little lock washer. Got that little lock washer pushed on how it's supposed to be. From there, now we need to get our new fuel hose on and get everything tightened up, but the kit comes with that. So before you put your fuel hose on, just make sure that you put your clips on prior to. But we're gonna slide this fuel line on, trying to get everything back together. So just pushing, got it all situated. What we need to do from here is go ahead and tighten up our clamps. Then we are G to G. All right, so here's the final result. Got the new fuel pump in. It fit where it's supposed to fit, no issue. It's snug inside of there. All the wiring hooked back up, and we got the new fuel sock on. Hold on, making video. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and throw it back in the tank. Then we can get this tank up on the car, and we're good to go. All right, y'all, we are all done today. Got the new fuel pump installed. Got the actual fuel tank put back in. I've been working all day, y'all, so if I'm a little off this video, this towards the end of the day, so cut me some grace. But fuel tank is back in. Got all of my hoses hooked back up. Everything's good there. Still got some wiring stuff to do on the car. So that's probably one of the places we're gonna be going to next, but we made a lot of progress just today, so glad I was able to put in this work. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please do make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take it easy. I'm out.
Cold